Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, welcome back. Hope everyone's had a good and safe holiday forecast, or a safe holiday weekend, I should say. The forecast has been fairly decent for most of that weekend. Nice, cool Friday after a good, cool start to our 4th of July. A little breezy out there, as we mentioned Thursday and Friday night on the newscast here. We had a lot of calls out there for sparks coming off of the fireworks and whatnot, but things kind of settling down today so far. Let's go out to the visual satellite and I'll show you what we've got as we round out our Sunday and get ready to strap them back on as we head in towards work tomorrow. So we've got a weak cold front, very, very weak cold front, just basically like a thin line of paper moving its way across the northern coast range. And there's really not much expected from this. You can see a little bit of cumulus buildup as the marine clouds just kind of slide southward. Otherwise, central coast down to the south coast, it's clear skies, a little bit of cumulus buildup from the southwest winds just above the surface south of Bend in the southern Cascades, and that's about it. So let's turn on the radar product. You can see just north of Yakima, just to the top of the screen, a little bit of thunderstorm activity triggering out ahead of that front as it moves its way through. As it get a little closer, there's not even a really well-defined area of low pressure with this. There's still broad circulation to it, and that's about all we're seeing. So you can see as the front gets closer, it does help to initiate a little bit of triggering mechanism for those thunderstorms. And this is what you get in the central and over and towards the eastern half of the United States. When you get the big cold fronts coming through, the same dynamics are at work here, obviously much smaller because we just don't have the changes in temperature that they generally do when you get the big severe weather that they see out in the Central Plains. Temperatures right now, not bad, or highs, I should say, today, sitting in the 90s out towards Ontario and Rome. They were the hot spots, 92 in Medford, sitting around 83 in Eugene. You can see the cool coastal air affecting Brookings and most of the south coast has stayed around 70 in North Bend and Coos Bay. And the marine layer will be back tonight. We'll see the clouds fill in after sunset tonight. Everywhere else, we'll be looking at low to mid-50s, clear skies, and then again a little bit of patchy cloud cover to start off our Monday morning. Right now, not too bad out there. We're sitting at around 77 at Corvallis, still in the low 80s in Eugene, and as you get down towards Roseburg, mid-80s, 62 in Florence, tad cooler than that. Still pretty comfortable as you get out towards Newport, 83 in Bend, and La Pine right now checking in at 78 degrees. So I'll step out of the way, show you what we've got. Little bubble of high pressure, not a big, massive high. We're not talking mid-90s here, but it is going to continue to warm things up tomorrow and likely Tuesday, where we'll sort of peak. And that's because the jet stream's starting to arch over top of that again as high pressure strengthens and moves in its place. That pushes the low out of the way, and that eventually starts to draw up the warmer air up the I-5 corridor, and that's what starts to warm us up as well as we head in towards your early week forecast. So clear tonight, a little bit of cloud cover early tomorrow morning, warming up as we head in towards Tuesday. I said that'll be the last of the really hot stuff, and then the morning clouds will be back as we head towards late week and get more of a westerly push. And then by the weekend, could be looking at another cool down, maybe into the mid to upper 70s again by Friday and Saturday. We'll have to keep watch of that. So the coast, we'll see the temperatures in the mid to upper 60s to around 70 degrees on the south coast. Same thing Tuesday, a little more cloud cover starting to move in. Then Wednesday and Thursday, possibility could see some light drizzle as another trough or a dip in the jet stream moves through by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. In the Umpqua Basin, temperatures in the mid to upper 80s and probably a couple of spots, Myrtle Creek, Canyonville, whatnot, flirting with around 90 degrees. And it will be kind of toasty for the afternoon. Same thing as we get in towards Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, lower back down to the low 80s. Cascades, sunny weather there. Temperatures in the mid to low 70s. We'll be looking at mid 80s and sunny overall in Bend and Redmond. Temperatures in the low 90s by Tuesday, but a quick cool down by the end of the week. And in the valley, we'll see the temperatures around 84 to 85. So similar to what we saw today, Jess, and then a bit warmer on Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, morning clouds are back. That should bring in some cooler air and back down to the upper 70s.
It's obviously great camping weather because I'm trying to get some reservations right now, and they are packed.
I think everybody's just getting out.
Yes, I need to be a better planner about that. So.
There you go.
All right, thanks.